NASA isn't announcing the existence of external life. But if the last 2 weeks show anything, it's if the agency ever breaks such news, the world may have trouble understanding. The latest UFO mania started with the Chinese spy balloon flying across the US. China's government has insisted it was just a weather balloon that flew off course. The US military shot it down off the coast of South Carolina, later saying the balloon was part of a global network Beijing uses to collect surveillance on other militaries. Suddenly, the US seemed to be spotting UFOs everywhere. US fighter jets had gunned down 3 more mysterious objects in the skies over Alaska, Canada, and Lake Huron. There's no evidence that these are UFOs. Technology from space still speculate abounds. Google searches for external life and are aliens real spiked. The Associated Press reported that online posts monitoring external life increased by nearly 300% after the first balloon. Even Elon Musk weighed in with an alien joke. I know there have been questions and concerns about this, but there is no indication of aliens or external activity with these recent takedowns. House Press Secretary said at a briefing, "It was important for us to focus to say that from here because we've been hearing a lot about it. The breathless rumors are just a peek at what Lori, who leads NASA's Planetary Science Division, might face should scientists ever discover true evidence of life beyond Earth. You can't overstate just how important that discovery will be, how we're going to confirm that and announce it responsibly. I think it's a really, really important question. The biggest challenge is trying to keep that communication on and even new with an excitement, and yet also understanding that we need to set the expectations that have to follow the scientific process. Maybe the space telescope detects a telltale molecule in the atmosphere of a distant Earth-like planet. Maybe Mars samples from the Perseverance rover reach Earth in a decade, and scientists find fossil of ancient microbes inside them. Many astrobiologists think that evidence of external life could turn up soon. But it's unlikely that any evidence would be completely irrefutable. Obviously, aliens. Scientists would probably disagree and won't be 100% confident. That could be hard to explain to the public. This is going to be a very, very hard thing to actually get the scientific community to agree upon unless we actually see something moving forward and waving at us, which is unlikely. The discovery of external life is likely to be slow build up rather than an explosive moment. Until now, we have set the public up to think that there are only 2 options. It's life or it's not life. Head of NASA. We need a better way to share the excitement of our discoveries and demonstrate how each discovery builds on the next so that we can bring the public and other scientists along on their journey.